What's up everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to actually create an extra grid. You guys know if you go to view and press extra we get this kind of actually we only get this one. I don't know why the other one popped up, but if we go to show, if you just press the extra one, you'll get those lines, right? Which help us with the designs where we actually want to put things around. So also if I press show and I press grid, it give us an idea of where we can actually put things, and using also the ruler option, which you can right click here and press ruler, you can actually measure um, where like how many pixels you want to put each object or each text and stuff like that. So what we're going to do in this tutorial, I know I told you guys we're going to do the rectangle area, something like a rectangle here in this tutorial, but I'm going to do that in the next one because I think this is pretty important to actually create our own grid, which will be helpful. It's an optional thing, but it'll be helpful, and you guys will see. And based on that, you can decide if you want to use it or not. But most designers, I believe, use it. So let's get started. So let me actually get rid of the extra grids, and already there's no grid here. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna go to a different new project, let's say. So we're gonna create a new project, and you can call it whatever you want actually, and press OK. And then we're gonna create a layer from here, and you actually don't have to call it anything, and uncheck the background. So now we'll have a transparent layer, and then go to edit, and then actually no, go to image and do image resize and make it as small as possible. This is gonna 6 and 5 maybe. It keeps playing around. That's fine. Let's do 6 and 4. So press OK, and then I'll press Control plus 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 to zoom in a bit, and then we'll use this option, the rectangle marker tool, and then we'll mark only 1 pixel. So the h, which is the height, will be 1 pixel, and the width could be anything. It actually doesn't matter. So we'll pick this, and then we'll right click, press fill, and then you can pick a color. So I'll press color, I'll press on there and press color again, and this will pop up. And use a color that would be easy to see when you have a grid. So I would honestly say a black color would be the best, since we're gonna use orange and all these colors. Yeah, I think black should be fine. It's a personal preference, so I'm just gonna use black. You can use red, you can use orange, whatever you would like. And press OK, and then I'll press OK again. And then what I would do, I would go now to edit, and let me actually deselect this, select the whole thing, and then go to edit, and then define pattern, and you can call this pattern whatever you would like. So I would call it grid, or just grid extra grid. I'll call it extra grid. Okay, and press OK. And you actually don't have to save anything. All you have to go back to your project, and now we'll create a layer and call it extra grid, or call it whatever you would like. And then I will color it. So to color it, you'll have to go to edit, fill, and we'll also do the same thing, and I'll do a black color and press OK. So you'll see that the whole thing got black. And then you right click it, press blend options, and then go to pattern, check that, and then go to pattern overlay, press on there, and then see the pattern that we created few seconds ago. Press on that, press OK. Oh, and nothing happens. To see your pattern, you actually go to the fill right there, and then all you have to do is just pull it all the way to the left. And now we have an extra grid that would actually help us design and know how far each object is, and it's just like a way of, you know how like in math classes, you know, these rectangles that like those like notebooks that has these funny looking rectangles and stuff like that to help you like draw triangles and stuff like that, and graphs. That's literally the same thing, and you can also use those extra ones as well to help you, to aid you. So this is just an optional thing that I'm pretty sure will be helpful. Usually if you don't want it, you can easily get rid of it by hiding it, and if at the moment that you need it, you can unhide it. So it's something to keep in mind. So it's optional, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully it'll be useful if you decide to use it. And in the next tutorial, I'll show you guys how to start our project and do this rectangle part, and then probably put the text and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys like this video, and you'll catch me in the next video. Have a good day.